Gum Gum. A cocktail tribute to Monkey D. Luffy from One Piece, captain of the Straw Hat Pirates, future king of the pirates, and the only person in history to turn rubber body logic into a fighting style that somehow works. Tropical sunset in a glass, red sinking through orange rising to gold, wide open sea. 7 things: aged dark rum, white rum, pineapple juice, fresh lime juice, passion fruit puree, grenadine for the sunset, and a pinch of sea salt. 1 ounce of aged dark rum and 1 ounce of white rum. 2 rums, 1 for grit, 1 for speed. For the dark, Appleton Estate or El Dorado, something aged with real depth. For the white, Plantation 3-Star or Brugal Blanco, clean and fast. Luffy never relies on just one thing. 3/4 of an ounce of pineapple juice and 1/2 ounce of passion fruit puree. Fresh pineapple is sharper and brighter than canned. Use it if you can. Passion fruit is the depth, exotic, tropical, something you can't quite place but can't stop tasting. The Grand Line doesn't show up on any charts. 1/4 ounce of grenadine, but you're pouring it last, down the inside edge. Let it sink through the tropical orange and settle at the bottom on its own. Don't stir. That's the sunset. Red to orange to gold, reading from the bottom up. Plus a pinch of sea salt. Luffy's crew always has a little ocean in them. Crushed ice fills the rocks glass. Shake both rums, pineapple juice, lime juice, passion fruit puree, and the pinch of sea salt hard for 15 seconds. Double strain over the ice, then, slowly, pour the grenadine down the inside edge. It sinks on its own. Don't touch it. Thread a cocktail cherry onto a short bamboo skewer and rest it across the rim, the straw hat. Wedge a pineapple slice at the side. He's already eating it. Pineapple and passion fruit hit first. Bright, tropical, open water. The rum builds through the middle, warm and layered. The grenadine sweetens the finish like a sunset at anchor. Luffy would finish this in 2 seconds and ask for another. King of the pirates. Gomu Gomu no cheers. Come back and sit down for another drink soon.